Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. Well, it was a beautiful 80-something degree day today. I waited until the sun was sort of going down, then I went out and I did my push mowing. So I worked up a little bit of sweat. Speaking of working up a little bit of sweat, is this what I'm going to show you? Is this paranoia on my part, or is YouTube the problem? Now, I usually publish a video just after midnight each day, and I upload it before then. It's 5 minutes after 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. There it is. Remembering basic fondly. I uploaded that over a half hour ago. Usually they do the processing in like 5 minutes. It still says processing will begin shortly. It's over a half hour. Let's see what Down Detector says. That's a website where if you have trouble with something on the web, you go there and click a button and say, hey, what's going on here? I will record my vote. So Down Detector, Steam, Spectrum, Roblox, YouTube. YouTube outages reported in the last 24 hours. Let's take a look. User reports indicate problems at YouTube. YouTube is a free limit, so I can report something. But uh-oh. Can you see it? Uh-oh. So it's not my paranoia, is it? They just screwed up. They're in the middle of a big bardock. What's a bardock? When I was in Israel over 50 years ago, I learned that it became one of my favorite words because it's one of the favorite words of Israelis, at least back then. Bardock. Screw up, only started with an F. A big screw up, but started with an F. And it's not a Hebrew word, it's Russian. The original Russian means whorehouse. But a lot of things have more than one meaning. So YouTube is in the middle of a major bardock because most reported problems, uploading videos. This is the first time looking at it, folks. I didn't peek ahead of time. Uploading videos, 47% of the complaints. Video streaming, 33%. Well, in a way, video streaming is kind of related to uploading a video and trying to get it processed, right? Uploading videos. How would you rate YouTube over that? Oh, I'm not afraid to say it. I'd give them 5 stars, but they're not getting 5 stars right now. So it's not my paranoia. I'll do a short addendum to let you know how long it actually took, if it ever gets published. Steve AB4L. Just an idiot running his mouth, saying, see you in 73.